What's up, guys? Today we are going to share you about our chosen equipment regarding second law of thermodynamics.
But first,
What is second law of thermodynamics? Second law of thermodynamics can be defined as heat transfer occurs spontaneously from higher to lower temperature bodies, but never spontaneously in the reverse direction. So it is impossible that the energy spontaneously flows from cold to hot. For an example, these ice floes melt during Arctic summer. Many processes occur spontaneously in one direction only, that is, they are irreversible under a given set of conditions. More precisely, an irreversible process is one that depends on path. For example, a cold object in contact with a hot one never gets colder, transferring heat to the hot object and making it hotter.
instead, the object will reach thermal equilibrium.
Furthermore, mechanical energy, such as kinetic energy, can be completely converted to thermal energy by friction, but the reverse is impossible. A hot stationary object never gets spontaneously cools off and starts moving.
So, how second law of thermodynamics works? Let's see how does a freezer make an ice cube. Electric energy is required. The freezer uses the electric energy to remove heat which make it colder. So, the heat from the water will transfer to the surrounding until the water molecules have lost enough energy to crystallize into ice cubes. What happened to the heat energy that the freezer removed from the water? If you have ever looked behind the freezer, you may have noticed that it gives out hot air. Let's prove it with this experiment. For this experiment, you just need ice cube and container. Put the ice in the container and wait until the ice melts. So, this experiment shows that the heat from the surrounding move into the cold ice cube. The molecules of water in the ice cube will vibrate and start to move around more and become disorder.
The equipment that we choose is a refrigerator. And the most frequently used refrigeration cycle is the vapor compression refrigeration cycle. It is commonly used in the household. So, how does it work? The refrigeration system is divided into 4 compartments, which is compressor, condenser, expansion valve, and evaporator. First, the refrigerant flows through the compressor, which raises the pressure of the refrigerant. Next, the refrigerant flows through the condenser, where it condenses from vapor form to liquid form, giving off heat in the processes. The heat given off is what makes the condenser hot to the touch. After the condenser, the refrigerant goes through the expansion valve, where it experiences the pressure drop. Finally, the refrigerant goes to the evaporator. The refrigerant draws heat from the evaporator, which causes the refrigerant to vaporize. The evaporator draws heat from the region that is to be cooled. The vaporized refrigerant goes back to the compressor to restart the cycle.
And that's all from us. Thank you very much for watching this video.